What's going on, champs? Hector Strada here, and today we're gonna cover if you don't have the time or the money to go to a gym to be able to build a strong runner's body. Have no fear. In today's video, 7 common household items used to build a strong runner's body. As the title implies, we're going to use what you already have in your home to help you build a stronger foundation body-wise to help you achieve your running goals when you're tight on time or finances. Cue the intro. As a runner, you know that you need to do some form of strength training to be able to avoid injuries, run faster, or run longer. As a runner, going to the gym can be expensive, time-consuming, and very daunting if you don't know what you're doing. Imagine having to go through all this. Big disclaimer I want to throw in, I'm not saying don't go to the gym whatsoever. If you have the opportunity to do so, please go. What I want to focus on is those of you that know you need to do some form of strength training, but again, as mentioned before, you just don't have the ability to do so. For example, in my case, I love going to the gym to do squats and especially deadlifts.
Watch me, just follow every move, touch me.
But I don't have the time right now to carve out 1 hour, 2 hours to go to the gym. Time is very precious for me right now because I have my work obligations, working 50 to 60 hours a week. I have my family obligations, spending time with them. I have my fitness goals that I have of running a half marathon in a couple months, strength training on top of that. And then I also have my videos that I love to put out every week. And so all of that put together, oh, not to mention, I kind of have to sleep as well. I don't have too much time, so I have to be quick and efficient with the things that I do in my spare time, such as the strength training, where, okay, I don't have 1-2 hours I can put aside to do strength training, but you know what? I can find something around the house, or I can do something body weight wise to be able to get that strength training I need 2 to 3 times a week, where I'm at home, 20-30 minutes, done. Maybe you can relate to that, or maybe you're in a situation where you don't have the finances to put down a down payment to sign up at a gym, or a gym is too far from you and you don't have a car. So all of these things can add up and pretty much be excuses of, all right, you know, I don't have any of that available to me, so yeah, I'm just gonna go out and run. Which, by the way, that's the really cool thing about running, is that you really don't need much to be able to get started. All you need is a simple pair of Also, you might be someone like me that lives somewhere where it's cold out, so it's kind of hard to go outside and use a park to work out as well. But the bottom line is that you can do something from home using what you already have. Now you might be wondering,
well, why don't I just use body weight?
And my answer is, yeah, you can, by all means. It's part of doing strength training. I just want to give you today a little bit more variety with the exercises that you can do at home. So without further ado, let's look around the house and see how we can get creative. you have it. You can use pretty much anything that you find around your house and just think of creative ways based on different exercises such as the wall sits or push-ups or planks, anything that you can think of to be able to incorporate something different into your routine. You saw how I threw my son in there for the front squats. Have fun with it. Let me know in the comments below if there's some other object that you typically use with your home workouts as well. Now, if you want some kind of structured format for what you're gonna be doing, I recommend 3 days a week, 20 to 30 minutes of 4 exercises, 4 sets of 15 to 20. And that's a great way to keep your body nice and strong to be able to go out there and keep on running.
So you can get stronger to go faster and longer.
Thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you found this useful. Hit that subscribe button to join this awesome running family. And by the way, if you didn't know, there's a lot of great home-based workouts found in this channel. That's right, another reason you should stick around. Until next time, you amazing champions.